Hello everybody, in this video we will learn how to use grid layout in Bootstrap 5. We can use the grid layout to make our page layout better and to make our page more ordered. In the grid layout we use rows and columns. We can have multiple columns in a row. Now we will add a div with the class of a container. In this div we will have a row. Inside the row we will have two columns. We will define a column class with the class call. We will add the text in columns 1 and 2 in their respective columns. In the preview, we should be seeing each column take up exactly half the row. To see if it's taking exactly half the row, I will add a background of blue. Bootstrap 5's grid layout supports 6 responsive breakpoints. The breakpoints are col-small, col-md, col-lg, col-xl and the col-xxl classes. For example, if we give the col-8 class to our second column, we will see that the second column is larger than the first. Let us add one more column. Now we will add the col-md-auto class to this column. We can use any of the grid layout specified breakpoints instead of md. The class col-md-auto will size this column based on its contents width. If you want to use the responsive classes, you can use the respective breakpoint classes. And if we have grids that we want to be the same size from the smallest device to the largest, we can use the col class. There is also the col4 class which we can use. Using the col-md class, we will create a grid system that will become horizontal when the page reaches the md breakpoint. The MD breakpoint is greater than or equal to 768 pixels. We can use the row columns class to set the number of columns. While the col class applies to the individual columns, we add the row column classes to the parent row element. In the following video, we will use a grid layout for creating the hero section. The link for the grid layout documentation page is in the description below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe because it helps a lot.